guys, this is Tech with Austin, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a SkinIt skin from SkinIt. This is for my iPod Touch 4th generation, and I'm going to be installing it too after I unbox it, and I'm going to show you guys the finished product. And so let's open this up. So you get basically an envelope, little tab you get to pull, and you rip it off. Now, and it's right inside here. There's it's a little order thing to show you, and shows you how to install it. You clean it, peel it, and apply it, which is pretty easy. So let's get the skin. This is the skin I got. Looks pretty cool. Alright. So let's clean this. I don't have any like paper or anything, that paper that you're supposed to use to clean stuff like this. So, oh well. Okay, so let's install the front now. Alright, so that's what it looks like, and you want to punch out this middle thing. And the part where the camera is for FaceTime. The front camera. And your home button. Now we apply it. Now applying it, you don't want to push it down right away until you get it perfectly. You're going to lay it down nice and smooth. And get the top done. And then work your way down. Or just try with the bottom going up. Doesn't really matter which way you start. Then there's the front. Let's do the back now. And the only things you have to punch out of the back are for the back camera and the microphone. I need to get something to poke it out. It's too small. Alright. So now I got that. Now oh yeah, I forgot the volume rockers too. Those need to be poked out. Apply the finishing touches all around the edges. I can show you the finished product. And there you have it. There's the front and there's the back. Pretty cool iPod now, I think. It was a pretty cool iPod before, but now it's just awesome. Alright, so this was Tech With Us, and this was my unboxing and install of a SkinIt skin for the iPod Touch, 4th generation. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and rate and comment below. See ya.